Hi everyone, this is V with Timeless Elegance Design. On my channel today, I'm participating in a collab with all the lovely ladies of the Diva Dynasty. The challenge today is to do a tablescape of only paper or plastic or both. That also includes your centerpiece. The Diva Dynasty consists of 5 ladies. Tammy is the host of Me, Myself, and DIYing. The co-hosts are Cynthia of Shesobless, Geraldine of Diva Decorating, Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Miss Alberta of Mysterious Alberta. So please, after you watch my video, please go over to all these ladies' channel and show them some love. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you again for watching. So we will start with my centerpiece. My vase, as I would call it, is a DIY. I made it with an oatmeal box and napkins I decoupaged on it. And the black one is a little small box I found at Dollar Tree, and I painted it black. My flowers are the little tissue paper flowers from Dollar Tree. The black and white one, I made them out of napkins. My candle holders, I made those out of like little dessert cups from Dollar Tree. And the candles, the little small candles came from Dollar Tree as well. Okay, and my place setting, the black plate came from, first off, the placemat, which is really a guest towel. Got that from Dollar Tree. The black plate came from Party City, as well as the small black plate came from Party City. The little cup, dessert cup, came from Dollar Tree. The silverware also came from Dollar Tree. The white salad plate, dessert plate, whichever one you want to use it for, came from Party City. The napkin came from Dollar Tree, as well as the napkin holder is from Dollar Tree. This cup is from Dollar Tree. The wine cup, it's actually a coffee cup because it has a handle on it, but I was using it as like a water glass. And this wine glass is a Dollar Tree item. And this champagne glass is from Party City. I didn't purchase anything except for the little cups that I use for the candles. That is the only thing I purchased. Everything else I already had. I used these plates and I washed them out. All the plates, I used them and washed them out and store them for another black and white party or whatever I might have. So that, and my table is set for 8. My throw, I got it from Amazon. And the pillows in my chair, I already had them as well. I usually use them on my patio in my outdoor furniture. But they match the decoration I was using, so I decided I'll use them. All the place settings are the same. So I hope you enjoy my tablescape today. And the tablescape is called Paper or Plastic Tablescape Sunday. These ladies, they do this every other Sunday. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to go over and visit the other ladies' channels. And thank you so much for viewing my video. Have a wonderful Sunday. Bye-bye.